input these headings: employee name, pay date, basic salary. It is the fixed amount an employee earns every month before any extras or deductions. It's the foundation for all payroll calculations. It's usually stated in the employment contract. Next is allowance. Allowance is the extra money given to cover specific needs like transport, housing, or meals. Next is bonus. So bonus is simply reward giving, monetary reward giving. And then we have tax, pay as you earn. So pay as you earn is the income tax deducted from salary based on government tax brackets. Employers must deduct and send it to the Ghana Revenue Authority. And then we have gross salary. Gross salary is the total income before any deductions. It's the base used to calculate tax and SSNIT. Next, we have tax deduction. It's the actual amount of tax removed from your salary. It's the money sent to GRA. Next, we have SSNIT contribution. So this is Social Security contribution. Employees pay for pension benefits. And then we have net salary. So net salary is the final amount the employee takes home after deductions. It shows how much to actually pay each worker. Then we have payment status. Click on A2. And on your keyboard, press Ctrl-T. Check the box that has My Table Has Headers. Click on it. OK. On the ribbon tab, you see Design. And on the left-hand side, you see Table Name. Rename it Payroll and press Enter. Highlight column B, where pay date is. Right-click. Go to Format Cells. Click on Custom. Select a date format. So we'll go with this. And then OK. So we're coming to highlight the following columns. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on column C, D, E, J, H, I, and the last one, J. Right-click. Click on Format Cells. Click on Currency. And then look for your currency. So in the drop-down menu, look for your currency. If you can't find your currency, click on None. Select column F. On the Home tab, go to Percentage. Click on Percentage. So now for the tax. So this, let's make it 17.5. If you get this, if you get 17.50 on the Home tab, where percentage is, you see an arrow, one going to the left, one going to the right. So one is for increased decimal, the other one is for decreased decimal. So click on decreased decimal, the arrow going to the right. So now we have 17.5 instead of 17.50. You can get the tax pay as you earn from the official Ghana Revenue Authority website, okay, the GRA website. So now for gross salary, input this formula over there. When you're done, press Enter. As you can see, it has calculated the gross salary for us. For tax deduction in H2, input this formula. When you're done, press enter. Then next is SSNIT. When you're done, press enter. Next one, which is net salary. Input this over there. So input this formula over there. When you're done, then press enter. In K2, under payment status, input this. When you're done, press enter. Select column K, where you have payment status. On the ribbon tab, click on conditional formatting and new rule. Click on format only cells that contain equal to. So write pending. Format. And then select a color that you want. Click on OK. Repeat the process. Click on conditional formatting. New rule. Format only cells that contain equal to paid. Click on format and select a color. So we'll go with green. OK. If you want to input your currency, I showed you one way earlier in the tutorial. When you highlight the column, you right click, and then you click on format cells. You click on currency and you select your symbol, or you can do it this way. Click on insert on the ribbon tab, and then go to symbol. And select your currency. Click on insert. You can choose to do it this way, or you can right click and input your currency. If you choose the other method where you right click and then you click on format cells and you click on currency and select a symbol, your currency symbol will appear on every number. It will appear in every cell. Or if you don't want it that way, you can just simply do it like this, where the currency will only appear in the heading. Make sure you input your information and all the formulas before you input your currency, okay? Because sometimes the currency can interfere with the formula and it will give you headache. So make sure you are done with everything. You've input your formulas and then you've input all the information you need to input before you add your currency. So the currency will not interfere with, the symbols will not interfere with the formulas. So you can see I did everything before I input my currency symbol. We are done with our payroll calculator. So any information that you input afterwards, it will automatically be calculated for you. So let's give it a try. Okay, so we are done. Let's say we've hired a new employee. And then we paid the employee. Let's assume that the employee will also be paid on 31st. And this new employee is taking, let's say, 5,700. And then allowance is, let's say, 600. Bonus 200. And then the tax, same thing, 17.5. So you can see as we input the information, it's automatically calculating it for us. So you don't need to input your formula again or do anything again. Just input the information. So all we did was input the information up to the tax, okay, and then it's calculated the gross salary for us, the tax deduction for us, SSNIT, and net salary. Okay, since we haven't gotten to 31st October yet, that's why the salary we have here is still pending. Don't spend hours typing formulas. I've already done the hard part for you. Get in touch if you'd like to own your own ready-to-use payroll calculator. This dashboard comes with the formulas already built in, automated and tailored to your needs. Once you get the file, all you need to do is to input your details and watch as it instantly calculates tax, SSNIT, and salaries. It's a massive time saver. Here's the best part. You receive instant support if you ever face a challenge. If this video has taught you something new, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in the next tutorial.